Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the case and AirPods have some charge. Low battery causes pairing errors. Once done, unlock your phone or computer and open Bluetooth settings so you can watch connection status. Open the case near the device. If a system pop-up appears, tap Connect. If not, press and hold the case button to enter pairing mode. This forces discoverability and resolves most not found issues. Now you'll optimize fit and controls. Try each ear tip and run the seal test. Proper seal improves bass and noise canceling. Switch tips until sounds tighten. Once fit is good, learn controls. Press stem for play/pause, long press for noise modes, swipe on compatible devices for volume. Next, open device settings to assign press and hold behavior and enable spatial audio if supported. These tweaks make everyday use simpler and reduce accidental inputs. For daily use, keep AirPods in the case to charge between sessions. Just 5 minutes can yield about 1 hour of listening when low. Make a habit of checking battery widgets and updating firmware through the paired device to prevent glitches. If an AirPod won't connect or audio is distorted, reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds, then repair. If problems persist, clean contacts and ear tips. Debris often causes poor charging or fit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.